In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use Trello for team collaboration so you can manage projects, assign tasks, and keep everyone aligned in one simple visual workspace. Whether you're working with a small team or managing a larger project, Trello makes collaboration incredibly easy once you know how to set it up properly. Make sure to watch until the end because I'll walk you through inviting team members, assigning tasks, setting due dates, and organizing everything with labels. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple and practical software tutorials. Now, let's get started. The first step is setting up your team workspace and board. Once you're logged into Trello, create a new board for your project. You can name it based on your team or the project you're working on. Inside the board, create lists that match your workflow. A simple and effective structure is Inbox, In Progress, and Complete. You can always customize these later, but this gives your team a clear visual process from start to finish. Next, let's invite your team members. Open your board and click on the Share option at the top. In the search bar, type the name or email address of the person you want to invite. When their profile appears, click on the user. Before sending the invite, you can assign their role, such as a normal member or an admin, depending on how much control you want them to have. Once you've selected the correct role, click Share to send the invitation. After they accept, they'll have access to the board and can start collaborating immediately. Now that your team is inside the board, it's time to create and assign tasks. Each task in Trello is represented as a card. To create one, click inside any list and add a new card with a clear task title. For example, you might create a card for designing a flyer, preparing a presentation, or organizing an event. Once the card is created, click on it to open the full details. Inside the card, you'll see a Members option. Click on Members, then select the team member you want to assign to that task. This creates clear ownership, so everyone knows who is responsible. You can assign multiple members if more than one person is working on the task. To keep everyone aligned on deadlines, click on Due Date within the card. Choose the appropriate date from the calendar, click on the specific day, and then click Save. The due date will now appear on the card, making it easy to track time-sensitive tasks at a glance. Trello also makes communication simple. Inside each card, you can write a detailed description explaining what needs to be done. You can attach files, images, or links, so your team has all the context they need in one place. In the comments section, you can tag team members using the @ symbol followed by their name to notify them directly. This keeps all conversations organized within the task itself, instead of scattered across emails or chat apps. If your task has multiple steps, use the checklist feature to break it down into smaller subtasks. This is especially helpful when multiple people are contributing to one card. As items are completed, you can check them off, and Trello will automatically show the progress percentage. To visually organize and prioritize work, use labels. Inside a card, click on Labels. You can select existing colors or click Create a new label to customize one with a specific name, like High Priority, Marketing, Design, or Urgent. Labels help your team instantly recognize what type of task it is or how important it is. Once created, simply click the label to apply it to the card. As work progresses, you can drag and drop cards from one list to another. For example, move a task from Inbox to In Progress when someone starts working on it, and then to Complete once it's finished. This visual movement gives everyone a real-time overview of project status. You can also manage members directly inside each card at any time. If responsibilities change, simply open the card, adjust the assigned members, update the due date, or modify labels. Trello is flexible, so your workflow can evolve with your team. By setting up your board properly, assigning clear ownership, using due dates, labels, comments, and checklists, you create a transparent system where everyone knows what they're doing and when it's due. That's the key to effective team collaboration in Trello. And that's it. You now know how to use Trello for team collaboration, from inviting members to managing tasks and tracking progress. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-follow software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.